Started making Jeeps.
What's the name of the Jeep?
Willis? I always say it wrong. Willys? I don't know. The original like Army Jeep was made over there. I say we fly over downtown Wyandotte. We'll cut back across to the other side of the island.
Very nice.
There's no fishermen to scare today. Normally I like to go like right on top of them.
You be having fun with your job.
Oh yeah, I was. I did a lot of crappy jobs before this. I literally worked at a sewer plant. It was a crappy job.
Man.
I was a truck driver. I was a welder. I was a construction worker, and I was tired of working hard. So I went and got my pilot's license, and now I get to have fun every day and meet new people. It's pretty fun.
That's fun.
Yeah. Now Tay's like, I need my pilot's license.
Yeah. So
I know you enjoy this much more.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
It's a lot more fun. Stressful at times, but
Yeah.
it's stress that I can handle.
Yeah.
Is it stress the weather?
The weather.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
figure, yeah.
No rainy days, right?
We go on rainy days.
Do you?
Yeah, we do.
So what days can't you go on?
Windy?
Yeah, when the wind's over 30 miles an hour, which is pretty rare.
Okay.
Those are the days we call it, or if there's hail, or if there's snow.
Okay.
We don't want our blades icing up.
All right.
So,
Okay.
yeah. The worst is freezing rain. Definitely don't want to go in freezing rain.
Yeah.
This is Wyandotte Hospital right here. It's shaped like a Y from the air. You can see the Y right here.
That's what Carl was, right?
Yeah.
Wyandotte Hospital, not Wyandotte Hospital. The city of Wyandotte is one of the only cities downriver that has their own power plant, which is right there.
Wow.
Water, cable, and sewer companies.
So they have their own.
Everyone jokes if the apocalypse comes, you move to Wyandotte. But they do have a cute little downtown right here. You're looking right at it. One of my favorite restaurants down there is Joe's Hamburgers, or Granddad's is a pretty cool bar. There's good food down there. This is the Portofino boat that you were talking
there's
about.
The boat. There's the boat.
I was going to turn right over it for you.
Wyandotte Hospital is where I had come to visit Carl one day, and I had told him it took me a long time to get there because I had to replace a tire. He got mad because he was like, them brand new tires on the Corvette. I was like, I got a hole in the tire. I just bought them tires. I'm sorry.
He was upset. That's funny.
So here's that rich side of the island I was telling you about. It's
Well,
more,
we can see all the beautiful mansions.
yeah, it's more like wealthy. It's like old wealth.
Old wealth, of that
Yeah.
old money.
I used to lie to people and tell them that this house was Kid Rock's house. No harm, no foul, until somebody from Grozeel called me out.
Right. That's great.
Some really nice ones over here, some modern ones, some old
Beautiful.
ones. So these range from like 350,000 to 12 million.
What?
I looked at like a little 3-bedroom house on the island. They wanted like 350.
Oh, because of the water.
This guy here was a billionaire who invented the sunroof in your car. His name was Heinz Prechter. That's why they got a German flag.
Okay. That was his house?
That was his house. This one's beautiful here. This guy
I love that one.
bought 6 houses, bulldozed them all, and built the one big one.
Wow, look at this one.
This one with the pool and the lighthouse.
Oh my God.
yeah, there's
Amazing.
one over here that's 12 million, right?
It's coming up.
That's my favorite.
This one, I flew the owners of
I
this
love
one.
that one.
They sold for $3 million last year.
Oh my God.
And here's the $12 million mansion. We'll
Oh.
pop up. This one's got a glass roof over an indoor swimming pool,
Oh,
underground parking garage,
oh my God.
movie theater, bowling alley.
Oh my God.
How many chimneys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
And he's
6,
still
8
building.
chimneys. No, he's got more than that. 9, 10, 11,
And
12
he's
chimneys.
And he's still building.
Yep.
Oh my God.
He's got an outdoor chimney.
Oh my God. Outdoor.
What a
gym.
rough life.
Yeah, he started building that in 2007. And
Wow.
still getting built.
And still building. Beautiful.
This is our elementary school over here. We actually have 2 of them. We're coming up on the junior high and the high school. Like I said, there's 5,000 people crammed in this little island, but it actually feels pretty spacious.
Yeah, it is.
Over here is Stony Island. Let's take you this way. Let's let people know where we're at first, though. Grozeel traffic, helicopter 9 Kilo Tango, 3 miles to the north at 1,000, southbound Grozeel. This is one of my favorite yachts right there to the
I
right.
love that one. That was
Yeah,
sharp.
I would just spend my whole life on that. I wouldn't even go in the house.
We wouldn't even go in the house. Just right there.
No.
No need to go in.
We'll just lower the boat in the water, come out here, This is where everybody comes to party, honestly. Everybody with a boat
Okay.
drops an anchor right here, and they have pirate parties.
Oh.
So nobody does any boating. They just fire up the blender for all weekend long, and they go back to work on Monday. But this is the spot. You can see
Right
down here
here.
how clear the water
I'm
is.
looking.
Everyone goes swimming right here. They check out these old barges.
Wow.
These are all abandoned barges from when they built this shipping channel that we're on top of in the 1930s.
Wow.
Diamond 452 is over the airport at 3300. Have that traffic in sight.
What traffic? Grosville traffic, helicopter 9 Kilo Tango is 2 miles to the east, and we're inbound for runway 22, Grosville.
I'm enjoying my history lesson.
Yeah, the Army Corps of Engineers designed and built this shipping channel so the freighters could get to Henry Ford's plant. So talk about some pull. Henry Ford made the government build him a way into his plant from the lake
What?
so that they could move the steel and the coal and everything they needed to build cars.
Oh my
Crazy.
God. Amazing.
Over here is the old Bobolo Island that I mentioned. That was
Yeah.
the old theme park. That's actually in
Oh,
Canada.
that's it there?
Yep.
Wow.
So now you got 4-story mansions right there over in Canada. They called this the hole in the wall because this is where the boat would come through to the docks over there and
Oh,
let
okay.
people out.
I remember that when I was younger.
The last building from the Bobolo days is right there in the middle with the blue roof.
Okay.
That was the dance hall or the skating rink, depending on who you asked.
Okay.
Somebody told me livestock were held in there. I don't believe that. There's a couple older buildings off to the left, and we got 2 more minutes, so we'll check them out.
This is so nice.
And Grosville traffic, helicopter 9 Kilo Tango. We're actually left or right downwind for runway 4, Grosville. Changed my mind. There's Lake Erie in front of you. It's not.
nice.
That boat looks a little eerie out there, but it's not an eerie day. If you keep going, you go all the way to Cedar Point. I
Wow.
used to fly a guy out there because he was rich and had a boat out there. That was kind of fun for a while. He's the one who screwed us over on advertising. On
Oh.
the newspaper. So now we got a better advertising guy.
Wow.
What'd he get?
This guy flew there and back like 6 times.
What?
And it was an hour each time at $650 an hour.
Oh my God.
I think he might have gone 12 times actually, now that I think about it. Because we did the
Wow.
math, and it was a lot of money that he spent for not a lot of return. But he had a big boat. He had like a 50-foot yacht out there, and we'd fly him out there. We'd land him at a sheriff's helipad, and he'd have like a black car pick him up, bring him to his yacht, and he would just spend all weekend on his yacht.
Wow.
And I'd fly him back here, land him at the airport, and he'd get a car back to his house.
Oh.
Kind of cool.
Just the life.
Yeah, he's a newspaper guy though, so I think he's at the end of his run.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Those days have pretty much come to an end.
Now you got to be a social media whiz.
This is true. Got
Tries.
change lanes.
Yeah. Grosville traffic, helicopter 9 Kilo Tango's on final for runway 4. We're going to be landing direct to max flight, Grosville. 1230, yeah, I'm on the road. Couple fishing boats. We got a patio boat hanging out. Maybe if you wave, they'll wave back.
A lot of people on that boat.
Yeah, they got like
Yes, it
20
was.
people.
Way too many people. Way too many.
On a little boat too.
Yes.
On a little one.
Okay, y'all need to cut that out.
And
Somebody should have stayed at home.
Traffic, Diamond 267 Delta Charlie entering
We
left
do have a
downwind,
tailwind, so we're going to do a little flipperoo.
you gotta bring your race car out here and hit the track.
My top speed I've hit is 130. At night, of course, when no one's here. The llamas are already gone home. So we're gonna wait in this helicopter until the blades stop. It has to cool down for 2 minutes, so it's gonna
Okay.
take a little bit. But I'll put us on the helipad. Maybe. That was pretty good.
That was excellent.
I like to critique myself too hard.
Excellent, excellent.
In the middle.
Perfect landing. Woo!
Hey, any landing's a good landing. No, I'm just kidding.
You got that right.
I'm joking.
Yes.
You got that right.
So 2 minutes. We're gonna let this thing cool down.
Okay.
It had to warm up. Now it's gotta cool down.
Right.
So how was the ride?
It was great.
Phenomenal. It was great. Totally amazing.
You mind leaving us a 5-star review?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what you do? Take your phone, your iPhone, Yeah, go to the code. Just,
Or you can just tap it, right? Like
yeah,
mine?
yeah.
Yeah.
She was already on the camera.
Yeah.
And then it should pop right up. And then, so just put your Gmail in.
Oh, lost your phone.
Yeah, I'll get it. Thanks. Oh, not now.
What?
No, you just
What?
hit not now
Where's that at?
at the bottom.
Oh.
Not now. You're in there.
See, iPhone people aren't set up like us Android people.
See there,
They
you
don't
know, they gotta do everything difficult.
Are you an Android person too?
Yes.
Good. All right, we
It's
got
popping
one.
up.
Definitely an Android.
I agree. We're already linked to Google. We already got it going.
See?
Know this.
I probably don't have any service.
Appme.com. It is rough with service out here, but
Yeah.
do you have Verizon?
AT&T?
AT&T?
No,
T-Mobile.
T-Mobile.
There we go. So 5.
Got a little bit.
And then K-A-L-E, Caleb is his name. Caleb. And then whatever you want to say.
Caleb was very energetic and such a nice guy.
Can I add your name too or no?
Yes, my name is Tay. T-A-Y. I was the co-pilot today. I am a part of the social media team.
Yes.
Okay. Amazing. Thank you guys so much.
For sure. Did you have fun? It was your first,
Yes.
like,
Yeah.
it wasn't bad, was it?
No, it wasn't
It wasn't bad.
No.
So, I'll tell you this. The only advantage of this company, these companies like this, is when you go to Vegas, or like she said when she went to Kissimmee Me or Orlando, my first time on a helicopter, I had to fly with people behind me that I didn't know.
This is a
Oh,
private helicopter.
private.
You get me?
Yeah.
So you guys were coming, and then just imagine, like, it would be a 6-seater, but then you guys would be by yourself. Two people will sit right here, one next to him and one right here, and then you got another group of 3 that'll ride behind you.
Yeah.
You don't know what they thinking while we're in
Right.
the air.
Right. I'm good.
So that's why the
Yeah,
private
yeah,
flights.
yeah.
Or
is-
if somebody gets sick next to you.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
That's what. So when you go to these different the tourist spots, I would say
Yeah.
tourist is where you have to ride with somebody else,
Oh.
unless there's no other rides.
No,
Exactly.
that's okay. I pass. We did it right this way.
We need to market that a little bit more. The private helicopter ride thing, the beautiful private airport out
Yeah.
here. You don't have
Yes.
to worry about parking at City Airport and getting your car jacked.
Get a selfie
I
with
think we
these
need to
things on.
market just a little more of how nice and
Yeah.
secluded it is down
Yep.
here.
I liked it. Perfect.
I was thinking of something else earlier and I forgot it too, but
So is that 2 minutes up?
just about. I gotta wait till the RPMs go up, which is in a second.
We waiting for it to cool down.
Yep.
Yeah, it had to warm up, now cool down.
Yep.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
I'm like, okay, not yet. Like, you should have waited later.